everyone, hope you all are doing fantastic. Thank you so much for appreciating our previous vlog, that means a lot to us. Welcome again to our new video, and to the newcomer, thank you guys for clicking and welcome to German Wissen, a new way to learn German language. So far in our previous video, we have learned alphabets, countings, verbs. Hope you are now be able to understand and moreover be able to apply these lessons in your sentences and day-to-day conversation. If in case this is your first time, you can check our previous videos in which we have described about conjugation, alphabet, counting and helping verbs, so that proceeding further step by step will become easy and interesting for you. And if you want to stick around for the next level learning, do subscribe and smash that bell button so that you will get the notification immediately. So let's start today's session. You must have known already with the help of the title that our today's topic is nominative and their conjugation. Before that, let me tell you what is nominative. Nominative is the very first and important case for the beginners to learn. In this case, you can learn how to make a simple sentence through the structure. Nominative deals only with the noun. All the verbs which takes the noun in the structure are called as nominative verb. For example, Ich bin Peter. This sentence we already had done in our previous video while learning the conjugation of sein. Because sein verb comes under the nominative list, which you will understand in our video, so stay tuned till the end, and I will suggest you to concentrate because this is most important for beginners. So as per the example, Ich is subject, bin is nominative verb, and Peter here is a name which comes under noun. So let's see how many more verbs we have in nominative with the tricks of conjugating them as per the subjects. And at the end, you will be getting the examples. So here are the verb list with pronunciation. So let's begin. First word is heißen, to be called. Liegen, to lie or to be situated. Wohnen, to live. Leben, to live. Bleiben, to stay. Sitzen, to sit. Next is stehen, which is to stand. Sein is to be. Arbeiten, to work. Kommen, to come. Gehen, to go. And the last is lachen, to laugh. These all are the verbs which are most commonly used and important to remember. Now let's see the trick to conjugate them. Ich is E, du is ST, er sie es is T, where sie and sie will take EN, and er is T. These ending will help you to conjugate all the regular verbs. Let's see the conjugation of few verbs from the list. Wohnen is our regular verb. In this verb, you have to take the root words, that is wohn, and keep on changing the ending as per the subjects given in the trick. Like I said before, with Ich we use E. Root word is wohn, so the sentence will be Ich wohn E. Again with the same trick, with du we use ST, so the sentence will be Du wohn ST, and the next endings will be accordingly. Hope you understood now how to conjugate, and it is very easy for you now to conjugate other verbs. So let's do few more verb conjugation. Now the root words which we are using here is kommen and leben, which is to come and to live. So with the help of ending, the sentence will be presented as Ich komme, du kommst, er sie es kommt, where sie kommen, and er kommt. And for the leben, Ich lebe, du lebst, er sie es lebt, where sie and sie is leben, and er lebt. Coming on next, In all these, we have some kind of exceptions as well. Basically, that exceptions are only for the conjugation. What's different is, with to, we have to write T, not ST. Reason behind the sound of Z is S. Same way in Heisen, we have S in the sound, that's why we have to add only T. Now try this conjugation and let us know if you like this video. Share your views and suggestions with us. Thank you so much for watching and see you on next video. Till then, take care.